Okay, next, some more two reactions. Reaction with HNO2. Okay, so here see this one, this ketone compound on reaction with NaNO2 and excess of the HCl. Okay, is nothing but this is one produce HNO2. This one produce HNO2. So this HNO2 in the presence of the acid medium, protonation of this OH takes place. HNO2. Protonation of this OH group. This one contains N double bond like this. Protonation takes place, and the loss of H2O that produce NO plus electrophile. NO plus electrophile. Now in acid medium, actually HCl, we are taking HCl. In acid medium, this one exists into enol form. Now here, this enol form attacks on this NO plus. So here by the resonance here, this carbon becomes electron rich. That is converted to OH plus here negative. So this negatively charged carbon attacks on the NO plus. So here we will get the plus here N double bond. Okay. That means here one of the hydrogen on the carbon compound is replaced by the NO plus. It means here this H plus replaced by the NO plus finally. It is an electrophilic substitution reaction. This is electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, NO plus, that H plus replaced by the NO plus. So now here just a loss of proton. So double bond O and this double bond. Okay. So again here these two hydrogens are the enolizable hydrogens. So enolization takes place. So double bond N OH. That's it. Enolization takes place. Now here if this compound on heating, there is a hydrogen here OH. So here loss of water molecule takes place. C triple bond N. Okay, that is the compound. Now for suppose here this one on hydrolysis, adding aqueous acid, here hydrolysis takes place. This one combines with oxygen, this one two hydrogens, H2O, two hydrogens and this oxygen. So here double bond O and this is the hydrogen double bond O plus NH. Okay, dicarbonyl compound is the product. Okay, dicarbonyl compound is the product. Okay, this is the oxime. So oxime on heating, here water removal, cyanide is the product. Here by the hydrolysis, with the breaking of this C double bond O, here again carbonyl compound is produced. Okay, first here NO plus alkyl is formed that replaces the hydrogen. So you will get this compound. Now here these hydrogens can be inverted in a total. There is a 1, 2, 3 shift of the proton. So you will get the oxime. This oxime on heating gives a cyanide. This oxime on hydrolysis produces a carbonyl compound. Okay. So you write the product for this reaction. HNO2 and second one hydrolysis. Okay. So nitroso compound and hydrolysis. And write the product for this reaction. HNO2 and then hydrolysis. From the HNO2 NO plus alkophile is generated. Okay, that's it. And next, so actually here in this reaction there are two possibilities. OH by one this. Okay, in the first step HNO2 by treating with HNO2, that means in acid medium there are the two enol forms are exist. Okay, in a HCl acid medium two enol forms are exist. Okay, so in this case here which enol is more stable? This is the more stable and this is the less stable. Okay, this is the less stable enol, this is the more stable enol. Okay, so actually here this enolization takes place in acid medium, not in basic medium. First here protonation takes place. Okay, protonation, and next here proton transfer. Either proton can be transferred. By the loss of the H plus, you will get this enol. By the loss of H plus from this carbon, you will get this enol. So two enols are formed. Here, in the presence of the basic medium, enolate is formed. In the presence of acidic medium, enol is formed. Okay. This one, in presence of the basic medium, the presence of acid medium, loss of proton, transfer of pi electrons. So OH and this one. This is enolate ion. This is enol. Okay. This more substituted enol because here 3 alpha hydrogens, 3 alpha hydrogens. Okay. And then here reaction with NO, NO plus followed by hydrolysis. Okay, write the product. Okay, reaction with HNO. Okay, write down this one. Okay, next one more reaction. Reaction with diazomethane. Reaction with the diazomethane. What is the diazomethane? CH2N2 is a diazomethane. The structure is this one. Okay, diazomethane. What is the reaction of carbonyl compounds with diazomethane? What is the reaction of carbonyl compounds with diazomethane? For suppose this acetone on treating with diazomethane, CH2 negative, here N triple bond N plus. This is the carbanion, nucleophile attacks on this one. So CH3 O minus CH2, this one N2 plus and CH. Okay, this carbanion attacks on this one. Now in this case, by loss of this N2 plus, that means that this nitrogen gains electrons because that is a positively charged. So here that N2 molecule after leaving becomes a neutral. Now this carbon becomes a positive. So to this positively charged carbon, this CH3 minus is migrated. CH3 minus CH2 plus, then CH3C, CH2, CH3 plus. And this carbon becomes a positive. So positive negative, double. That means insertion of the CH2. Insertion of the CH2. And here another one side product. Here in this case, by loss of this N2, here this one carries a positive charge. This negatively charged can form the bond. So here the cyclic ether is one of the product. Cyclic ether is also one of the product. Okay, but here cyclic ether is not a major product. This ketone is a major product because 3-membered ring is unstable one. Okay, the loss of N2, this carbon becomes a positive. To this positively charged carbon, CH3 minus is migrated. Then this carbon carries a positive negative. Right. Or directly this O minus can form bond with this CH2 plus. Okay, that's it. Oxygen and this carbonic compound. So lower ketone to higher ketone. So it is a major compound. And next here, this is a double bond. So this one I'm treating with CH2, N2 plus and here negative. So nucleophile attacking. So O minus CH2, this N2 plus. By leaving of this N2 plus, this bond ring expansion takes place and reformation of pi bond. that becomes a 6-membered ring. The insertion of the CH2. Okay, here 5-membered ring converted to 6-membered. Or this O minus can form the bond with CH2. So here this oxygen and CH2. Between these two, this is the major product. That is the reaction with diazomethane. Reaction with diazomethane. Okay. And next, write the product for this. CH2, CH3, CH2N2 and CH3C double bond O H CH2N2. Okay. And this cyclopropanone CH2N2. Okay, write the reactions. Okay, and next some more reactions. First, suppose this carbonyl compound on treating with NBS HNU, where alpha bromination takes place. Alpha bromination. Okay, next here, if this compound on treating with PCl5, okay, remember these reactions Cl and Cl. Okay, we're treating with PCl5, this is the product, and side product is POCl3. Okay, first suppose this ketone on treating with PCl5, Cl and Cl, gem dihalides are produced. Okay, gem dihalides are produced. Okay, write the reactions. Okay, and next alpha halogenation. Alpha halogenation. Alpha halogenation. First suppose CH3C double bond O, CH3, this one Br2 in the presence of the acidic acid. This acetic acid is the proton donor. So here protonation takes place. Protonation takes place. Now here the CH2H, this acetic acid ACO minus here H plus. Protonation of this oxygen takes place. Here ACO minus, again here ACO minus remove this proton. So here we will get the enol. You will get the enol. Now here this enol are treating with bromine. This silicon stands for and this paracan stands for. This carbon carries a negative. This negatively charged carbon attacks on the Br plus, Br minus removal. So here CH3C OH carries positive charge and CH2 Br. Okay, and then here the Br minus from this one accept the proton from this case. So CH3C double bond O and CH2 Br. Alpha halogenation in the presence of acidic medium. Alpha halogenation in the presence of acidic medium. But here the same reaction in basic medium. The same reaction in basic medium. CH3 C double bond O CH3. Yeah, this one treating with NaOH and Br. What are the products in this case? Haloform reaction. This is the ONA and here CH CHBr. So the main important point in this reaction, here the monohalogenation takes place, but in this case trihalogenation takes place. This reaction produces a haloform, this reaction produces just alpha halocarbonyl compound. Just here, what is the difference in these two reactions? Here, this reaction in the presence of acidic medium, this reaction in the presence of basic medium. What is the difference with the acidic medium and basic medium in the production of the different products? So in this case here, the base remove the proton first of all. Okay, you know the mechanism of the yellow form reaction. CH3C double bond O, CH2 minus. Then this one attacks on CH3C double bond O, CH negative, sorry, CH2Br. Or no? Now in this case, Br is the minus I group and ketone is the minus I group. So in this case, initially there is a one ketone. So these hydrogens are acidic in nature. After reaction with bromine in the presence of alkali, these hydrogens acidic nature is enhanced. That means here these hydrogens are more acidic than these hydrogens. Because this one contains only one withdrawing group. But your product contains another one minus I group. These hydrogens are more acidic when compared to these hydrogens. So here these acidic hydrogens, these more acidic hydrogens furtherly react with base CH3C double bond O CH. Again alpha bromination takes place. Now here this hydrogen is some more acidic than these two hydrogens. Okay. So that means here by the replacement of hydrogen by the bromine, their acidic nature increases. Here in this case here two minus I groups and here one minus I group. So these hydrogens are far more acidic than these hydrogens. And these hydrogens are more acidic than these hydrogens. Okay. Now again here that NaOH remove these more acidic hydrogen and we will get the negative charge carbanium Br negative. So now this one attacks on Br plus. So CH3C double bond O C Br3 and here now this one is cleaved in the presence of basic medium. Is nothing but haloform reaction. Okay, is nothing but a haloform reaction. That means by the replacement of hydrogens, their acidic nature step by step increases. That's why all hydrogens are replaced by the bromine. We will get the trihalogenation and then furtherly that is cleaved to the carboxylic acid and bromoform. Is nothing but haloform. But in this case, after replacement of hydrogen by the bromine, here basic nature is decreases. Actually here due to presence of this lone pair of electrons here acting as a base that accept the proton from the acid. That accept the proton from the acid. Okay, but in this here in this case after replacement by the bromine, here bromine is the minus I group. By the minus I effect, basic nature decreases. Okay, by the minus I effect, basic nature decreases. So here further protonation is not possible. Okay, in this case here methyl donating, so more basic, that's why protonation takes place. But here Br is the minus I group. So because of this minus I effect of the bromine, here the basic nature of oxygen decreases. So generally presence of the minus I groups increase the acidic nature and presence of the minus I groups decrease the basic nature. So that's why there is no further protonation on the oxygen. So that's why monohalogenation takes place, but in this case trihalogenation takes place. Okay, that's it. So దీంట్లో కొంచెం ఫర్దర్ గా కొంచెం టాపిక్ చిన్న కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంటుంది, we will discuss in classroom. Okay, that's it. In alpha halogenation, in acidic medium monohalogenation, in basic medium tri substitution. Polyhalogenation takes place. Of course that leads haloform reaction. Okay, that's it.